Lochinvar water heater common issues. Experiencing issues with your Lochinvar water heater can be frustrating. Identifying common problems can save time and money. Here, we explore common issues to help you troubleshoot effectively. No hot water. One of the most common issues is the absence of hot water. Follow these steps to diagnose the problem. Check the power supply. Ensure the water heater is plugged in. Inspect the thermostat. Verify the thermostat settings are correct. Examine the heating elements. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need professional help. Inconsistent temperature. Inconsistent water temperature can be annoying. Here are some steps to fix it. Check the thermostat. Ensure it is set correctly. Inspect for sediment buildup. Flush the water heater to remove sediment. Examine the dip tube. A broken dip tube can cause temperature fluctuations. Regular maintenance can prevent inconsistent water temperatures. For more detailed troubleshooting, refer to the Lochinvar user manual. Proper care and maintenance will extend the life of your water heater.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit Troubleshooting.com. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video. If you want to know more details, then you can visit Troubleshooting.com. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.